Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove business account from your Instagram. It means if you have created your business Instagram account, but now you want to change to its personal account, then you can do it even after creating your account. So for that, just open your Instagram account and go to your profile. When you go to your profile, just at the top right side, you can see there are three horizontal lines. Just click on these three horizontal lines. And now scroll down. And here you can see the option called Business Tools and Controls. Simply click on this Business Tools and Controls. And now scroll down at the bottom. And at the bottom, you can see the option called Switch Account Type. At number 4 from the bottom. Switch Account Type. Simply click on Switch Account Type. And now there are two options: switch to business account, switch to personal account. As your account is business account and now you want it to your personal account, so just click on switch to personal account. When you switch it, just simply click on switch to personal account. And here we go, our account has been converted to personal account. So this is the way you can convert your business account into your personal account even after you have created your business account.